Hello, this educational video is brought to you by the Colorado HOA Information and Resource Center. The topic of this video presentation is what is the HOA Information and Resource Center and how can it assist you? The information provided during this presentation is for educational purposes only and is not meant to provide or to be construed as legal advice. Any legal questions should be directed to your attorney. What is the HOA Information and Resource Center? The HOA Information and Resource Center was created by the Colorado Legislature and became effective on January 1, 2011. The center is organized within the Division of Real Estate, a division of the Department of Regulatory Agencies, also known as DORA. It is headed by the HOA Information Officer, whose duty it is to develop and run the many facets of the center. What is the HOA Center's purpose? The center was established to provide information concerning HOAs in Colorado. The center has many functions to assist homeowners, HOA board members, community association managers, real estate professionals, and consumers in obtaining information and knowledge concerning HOAs in Colorado. What functions can the HOA Center perform? As directed by Colorado law, the center collects information about HOAs from HOA registrations and from the informational inquiries and complaints received from homeowners living in HOAs. The center's functions include the collection of informational data concerning HOAs in Colorado, receiving inquiries and complaints from homeowners in HOAs, assisting homeowners with understanding their rights and responsibilities under the law, and providing outreach and education to homeowners, HOA board members, and real estate professionals concerning living in an HOA. The collection of HOA registration data is necessary in order to determine the number of HOAs in Colorado, to determine the number of household units affected by HOAs, and to gather basic information about these HOAs, including their type, size, and location. There is an HOA registration database on the HOA Center's website that has a search feature that allows consumers to find information on HOAs. The center receives HOA inquiries on numerous subject areas related to HOAs, such as registration, meetings, voting, enforcement, maintenance, and governing documents. It also receives HOA complaints in all forms, written, online, telephone, fax, or email, and tracks and categorizes those complaints. The HOA Information Officer discusses these inquiries and complaint issues with the consumer and provides them with relevant information in order to better deal with their concerns. The center is also responsible for providing information to homeowners, HOA board members, declarants, and other interested parties about one's basic rights and responsibilities as set forth in the Colorado Common Interest Ownership Act, commonly known as CCIOA, as well as other applicable state laws. The center receives these inquiries for information on HOA laws and practices and provides consumers with the relevant materials, laws, resources, and non-legal advice concerning those inquiries. The center provides education and outreach to homeowners, HOA board members, and real estate professionals by way of consumer advisories, HOA forums, town hall meetings, and educational seminars on topics related to CCIOA. It is also active at community and senior events, providing information and instruction to homeowners and to those consumers considering moving into an HOA. The HOA Center acts as a clearinghouse for the information coming into the center, and at the end of the calendar year provides an annual report to the Director of the Division of Real Estate. This report provides an analysis of the HOA and complaint statistics gathered by the center and reflects the nature, state, and trends of HOAs in Colorado, including an overview of the experiences of homeowners and others in matters involving HOAs. Go on the HOA Center website to see the current and all past HOA annual reports. What is the HOA Center not allowed to do? Neither the HOA Information Center nor the Division of Real Estate, however, has any statutory authority to investigate HOA complaints or mediate disputes, as the office has not been designated with that power. The HOA officer also cannot provide any legal advice. The center is established for informational purposes only concerning HOAs. This has been an educational presentation from the HOA Information and Resource Center. Following this presentation, you will find a short quiz and some HOA resources. Thank you for watching.